Hey guys, this is a quick video to show you how to make an improvised particle mask. We're going to use paper towel, we're going to double it over, and we're going to basically just fold a zigzag pattern. And we're going to keep doing that all the way to the edge. Now you got rubber bands, you got hair ties. We could do this with tape or with a stapler, but you're going to want to just fold over the end and affix the rubber band. Basically, it's going to make like a loop that the rubber band is secured by. And I did 2 staples there. Get that fold in there. And ka-chunk, ka-chunk, you see it, it is secure. Now this is a really simple mask. It will expand and go over your face. You can do this for adults or kids. And there you have it. You're just gonna put it over your chin and nose, expand it, and breathe away. Now you see my nose ridge here. That might be an issue, so I have a fix for an upgraded version. We're going to take aluminum can and cut it open. We're going to harvest the metal. Do a quick cut there, but we're going to trim the edges so it's a little cleaner. Now, one can get you a bunch of these little like ridge sections. So go ahead and cut them, I don't know, 5 or 6 from the can. And then we're going to fold that in half. And this is going to give you like a stiff support for the nose area. And I'll just do the rest of these up real quick. Alright, same concept here. We're going to take 2 sheets of paper towel, go to the fold, and then take our little aluminum support. We're going to put a little piece of tape on there. You don't want it sliding around. And that's going to be right at the fold. Okay, again, we're going to do the zigzag fold pattern, and it's real simple. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's an accordion. And again, we're going to attach a rubber band or a ponytail holder. Like I said, you could use a stapler, you could tape, whatever you've got. The idea is you should be able to do this kind of stuff with stuff that you've got around the house. Obviously, we want to improvise and do what works. So, try out something different. If you see this idea, you know you can run with it. Beauty in this, you can make that fold right there. And now it's going to fit and form to your nose a little bit better. And I got a big nose, so it's really helpful. You can adjust that to fit perfect. Like I said, if you've got lots of stuff around your house, maybe you don't have everything shown, so let's try another way. Here's a paper clip. You can unfold that, and we can use that to make the nose shape adjustment. You don't want it to be too pokey, but like it bends in the middle. Just gonna tape that bad boy down. Little piece of Scotch tape. And you know what to do. Accordion folds. Zip, zam, zoom. Rubber band on the end with the fold. Staple it down. Boom, boom. If you don't have that stapler, maybe you got a little one. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. Either way, get that thing affixed. And open it up. There you go. Bend it to shape. Ta-da! Alright. Aluminum frame, tape. Let's make a bunch of these things and give them out. I know you know somebody that needs some. If you're going to make one, might as well make 20. Here's the tape method. Just wrap those ends. The goal is we're just keeping that rubber band secure. And ta-da! The cool thing about these is they're cheap, they're easy to make, and you can fold it up, stick in your pocket. Another option, these are twist ties from bread or vegetables. Just twist a couple of them together because these are thin wire and you want a little bit more stiffness so it will hold in place. So 3 up, made a twist. Look for consistency so it's not all lumpy. Here, this is a long one from some broccoli or something. Same thing, just 3 in a layer, twist it up. Looks good. Where do you think we'll put it? Oh yeah, right there in the middle. You guys are professionals at this now. I'm telling you, make 1,000 of them. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it's useful. Hope it's going to help protect you or someone you love. This is too easy to not be shared, so share it around. Make a bunch of them. Go give them out. Homeless shelters. Maybe somebody works in a clinic and has to see a lot of people. Every little bit helps people. Anyway, good luck. Be safe. And enjoy.